Y'all think about that right there. See my little family. My little family, man. Them all glizzies right there for you, too. Everybody posting their little videos and shit. See this right here? This right here is a Glock 23, man. Generation 3. Got my little custom shit on there, though. For my grips. The grips is real good on here, too. Then you come on up here, man. That's not your ordinary Glock. Y'all see that? Y'all see them lacerations on there, man? This is what you call a RTFS. Glock 17, man. Yeah, nigga. Your glizzy don't got that, bruh. Don't even play. Then I come on over here, man, to this motherfucking Glock 22 right here. Got my little light and shit on this one, you feel me? Just in case shit get a little crazy, I'll blind the fuck out you with the flash. Come on down here to this motherfucking G30, man. It's 45 right there, chamber, and 45 ACP, should I say. But yeah, that's that RTFS. Glock 17 right there, man. With the leg in it. Don't play. Yeah, anyway, something light real quick for y'all. My little glizzy family. Tell me what you think. I'm going to talk a little bit about each one. I'm going to probably do a little video on each joint, man. This not all I got. This just something slight I'm showing y'all right here. But yeah, get at me.